All right. I'm about to show you how to quickly and easily get all set up and open the tap to this never-ending stream of free $20 bills hitting your account multiple times a day. So I'm going to take you through the quick process of signing up for and getting the card. And make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you exactly what happens after you get your card. It is cool, to say the least. But let me start out by telling you that Netspend basically makes money from this card on the fees that they charge. But the cool thing is that you can avoid the fees. They have the option to pay per transaction instead of having a monthly fee. And now some people do leave their commissions on the card and spend it from the card. But I look at this simply as a money maker. So I usually only use it as an e-wallet or like a holding account for the commissions, and then I'll go to the bank and have the teller transfer the commission money that the company puts on the card into my bank account. And because there's no minimum balance required, then there are no fees, and I avoid the fees. And if you already have a Netspend card and you have not used it for anything in the last 6 months, you need to order another card just for this program, because you can have more than one, and that way you can fully qualify and get all of the commission money. Now, obviously, it's free to sign up for this card. As you see over here, there's no credit check, no minimum balance, and no sign up or activation fee. So it's super quick and easy to sign up for this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a whole new account so I can take you all the way through this process, and it will appear exactly as you see it when you're doing yours. So we'll just go over here and fill out this little form. And obviously I'm going to have to block out some of my own personal information. But as I said, I'm opening a new account so you can see exactly how it's going to be. Name, actual physical address, no P.O. boxes, city, state, zip code, email address, all that. And it is vitally important that there is a referral code in here. There must be a referral code. Now, when you sign up and get your own website from Netspend, it will automatically populate your referral code. But there must be a referral code in here for you to sign up. You come down here and you check select payment. Now that is in case you actually want to use this card to get some sort of direct deposit. And you can pick one of these kind of things. As I mentioned, I just use this as a holding account. I don't ever charge with this card, and that way I avoid the fees. But you can do whatever you want. If you want to use this card, you can use it. But to me, it's just a money maker. So I will pick none at this time. Check the box, confirm it, and choose your card. You can choose any of these designs that you would like. I personally am going to go for the gold. I've already got the blue one attached to my original Netspend account, and I do not want to confuse the two. And you get all that done. You just go down here and click order your card. Okay, typically this is the page that pops up after you order your card. Congratulations, your card has been ordered. Can't be much easier than that. And now what we're going to do is just real quick set up our information so we can get into the back office of Netspend account. So super easy. And you will need to remember this username and password, so write it down. And I'll create a password. It's got to be one uppercase and one letter. And just keep trying on the username because you'll find one available. And then a security question, I'll just stick with that, my pet's name. And create account. This should take you into your new account. Now you're in your free Netspend back office. Netspend automatically sent you an email, new account from netspend.com. This is that brand new account that I opened up, so you will see exactly what it looks like. But we want to go over here to the main menu, go down, click on features, go down here and click on refer a friend. And that will open up. Refer a friend. You get 20, they get 20. You are going to have a lot of new friends giving you $20 multiple times a day. But you have to get your referral code and put it in the system so the system can automatically do this for you. Okay, and this is super elementary easy to do. Just scroll down and you'll see here where it says send an email, share on social media, send or share a link. So click on social media, share on social media, and whether you have a Facebook or not, click on share on Facebook and it will open up this window. The window should expand, but if it doesn't expand, just expand it. And you'll see this long stuff. This is what you could put on Facebook if you have a Facebook. But to get your ID, what you want to do is you want to come right after the equals sign, right after the UREF equals. Put your cursor right there, hold down your left mouse button, scroll all the way across that number, release your left mouse button, click your right mouse button, and click copy. Okay, now you've copied your referral, so you can go ahead and start getting this out there. Otherwise, they're going to tell you you have to activate your card before you can get this ID, but you don't, because you see where you can get it right here. Okay, and then you can go up and close this window. If it says leave the page, just click leave the page, and you can close that. And now we're going to go put your user ID in the RISE system.
Now, just a quick side note. If when the first time you go into this Netspend website after you create your username and password, you have any problem getting your referral ID, simply click on the link below this video. It says get your referral ID. And then with the username and password you just created, log in to the main website and then click on features and refer a friend. And copy your referral code. And now we'll go put it in the free marketing system and you will be good to go to start making money with this. You put this referral code where I show you and get signed up and ready to go with all the other programs in this system so you can make the maximum amount of money. Because you can start making money with this Netspend before you get the card, but you do have to activate and fund your card before you can actually get the money off. But you can start making the money before you get the card. And then that's why it's so crucial to fund your card as soon as possible, to get all your commissions, but also because you instantly get an additional $20. So in reality, it's basically free to join this system because you get paid $20 to fund your card and it's still all your money. So don't wait and take a chance on losing out on a lot of money. Sign up for everything and start out in the maximum money-making position. Nothing to lose and everything to gain. Now, let's go plug in this referral code.
We're going to go back to the page with the video, which should still be open on your computer in a tab. This says bonus cash. So you go back to this page, scroll down, and you see right here, save referral code below. So put your cursor in there, left click, then right click, paste, and go over here and make sure to save it. Click on save, and now it's saved. You're in the system, good to go, and ready to start making a lot of these $20 payments coming onto your card.
And as you can see on the clock right there, it's 4:30 p.m. on January the 3rd. And now we're going to go and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this free money. And there's my little puppy. He wants to go, but he can't go on this trip. But we'll get up and get out of here.
Oh, let me show you. This is my brand new hand-scraped custom wood floor, 100% paid for by the free system and internet marketing. In the third house that I own, 100% paid for by the free system and internet marketing. Brand new surround sound TV and a brand new fence that cost a bunch of money. All of these things paid for because of the free system and internet marketing. And I will show you how to do it. Now let's jump in this Beamer and get ready to roll. Oh, but first, let me show you. Internet marketing got me here in this free system. And remember, giving away Facebook for free has made Mark Zuckerberg rich. So it works. Take you through a little ride through the neighborhood real quick. And the time freedom of this great business allows me to check out this beautiful day, leisurely stroll down to make some money. And as I hope you can see, it's 4:37 p.m. January 3rd. And obviously the point of this is to show you there's nothing to it. It's just a little nice drive. And there is another way to get this money, but This is the quickest and easiest way. As you can see, this says 444 and the current balance is 0. So I'm going to ask this nice gentleman, I would like to load my NetSpend card.
Oh, they say a little money.
There's 40. There you go. And as you can see, at 447, there is now a balance of $60 in there, which is 100% my money. There was nothing in there 3 minutes ago, and as you see, a $20 bonus immediately added to my card. So I immediately gained $20 in 3 minutes. The whole process to leave my house and come here took a total of 8 minutes. And now I can spend this money right now in this store, or I can go to the ATM and take this money out immediately. So it's giving me a $20 bonus, and it's still all my money. I want to go ahead and add $40 to my wife's card just to show how quickly you can get referral bonuses. And you saw the time I did that a couple of minutes ago. It is now 5:05, and as you can see, immediately they gave me a referral bonus because I referred my wife a brand new card. Money was put on her card and it paid me immediately. That is why you want to fund your card as soon as possible, because these $20 payments will show up. Now let me show you this. I logged into my wife's NetSpend account, and as you can see at 5:10 p.m., she also received a $20 bonus. So this is an absolute gold mine. And now I'm back at the house. And as you see here on Google, time and date, now 5:25 on January the 3rd. So you saw when I left, you saw when I was at the store, you saw when I put it on there, you saw how quickly they added that money. So your account will be flooded with people giving you $20 multiple times a day because this is offered in this system. This is a money-making machine to make a lot of free money, because you can actually start making money with this right after you order your card and before you even get it. And when you get your card, go down and put $40 on your card as soon as possible. And remember, you're not spending any money. The $40 is still yours. And when you fund it, they can go ahead and put these commissions that will be sitting there waiting for you on your card. So it's crucial that you fund your card as soon as possible for this to work properly. You will not have access to your commission money until you fund your card. So watch for the card and get that taken care of as soon as possible, and you will see the first of these endless $20 payments pop into your account immediately after you fund your card. So get that funded as quickly as you can so you don't lose out on any commissions that may be sitting there.